to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I have a super cute craftspiration sort of video, and you all know we moved recently, so I do have a new crafting office, and I've just been trying to figure out a cute way to store a lot of my ephemera that I've either been making or buying. So this was one of the ideas that I came up with. This is a 3D mini camper, and the SVG that I purchased is from the Silhouette Design Store, and it is by Lori Whitlock. She does have a tutorial on her YouTube channel that shows how to put this together. So what I needed to do was actually, based off of her tutorial, figure out what lines needed to be scored, because when the SVG that I purchased from the Silhouette store transferred over to Design Space, it basically had all of the lines set to cut and not necessarily the lines that were set to score. So I had to know what to do, and that took me quite a bit of time because you guys know I'm still new to my whole Cricut makers. But look, I'm doing it, and with a lot of diligence and persistence, you can do it as well. So the flower paper, all of the pattern paper, is from AC Digitals. It's the Maggie Holmes Chasing Dreams collection, and I had to print that out. What I did was on 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper, I just made my own printed paper and then had the Cricut cut the pieces that I was going to need out on that. I tried having it do the print and cut, but for whatever reason it was not transferring. It was taking forever to save. So I would suggest that if you have any digital papers, just go ahead and print them out like a normal sheet and then have your pieces cut out on it, and it'll make life so much easier for you. But I went ahead and took some of the ephemera from that collection and decorated this. There's so much more I want to do to this, but I just got so excited I decided to stop and go ahead and film. All of the little glitters that you see are stickles, and then I just added the pom-poms to that. I love this layered pieces. And then the paper, I kind of wanted either a foiled look, or I decided to go with glitter. So what I did was took my gold stickles and just put it on different parts of the paper, and then I took my painter's marker and went over the door opening and the little door handle. And you guys, it's just so stinking cute. This is a little tulle rosette, I guess you could say, and then the ephemera there. I think I'm going to go ahead and add something to the middle of this. I'm not sure. Like I said, there's so much more I want to do to this. I definitely will be doing a carousel themed, and let me show you guys. Let me tell you, there's well over 100 pieces of ephemera in here, and there's still a ton of space inside of this. So if you're looking for a cute way to organize your ephemera, knowing what's inside of it, if you do it based off of the theme that you have, then you'll know, okay, this is my Maggie Holmes Chasing Dreams, Carousel, Willow Lane, Sunny Days, so on and so forth. So again, this is by Lori Whitlock. It's her 3D mini camper. She does have a bigger one. This one was meant for treat boxes, but she has a bigger one that you can use for centerpieces. And this was so well worth all of the hard work that I put into it. So I hope that this inspires you all to give it a try yourself. And if you like it, please be sure to thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. As always, and until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a greatest day, doll. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.